Hi guys, welcome back to Matt and Nana, also known as One Pink Squad. Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Today, guys, we are snowed in. It's a blizzard. It's another extreme winter storm, guys. It's actually a blizzard. Guys, let me see. Let me show you outside. Let me show you guys outside. I don't know if you guys can see outside, but it is worse than the first snowstorm we got 4 weeks ago. This is insane. But yeah, guys, so Leo, where's Leo? Leo's in the kitchen here making tea, where he's making tea and his favorite ginger tea. Okay? But guys, so we have to go outside and shovel. Look at this. Look, ginger. Show them the ginger.
Yeah,
so
I need this.
We're about to go outside and shovel, guys. But let me show you the back. It is nasty outside. It is nasty work. Oh my gosh. Look at outside, guys. Look. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see. Look at that. Insane. So yeah, guys, we're about to go outside and shovel. We're going to show you guys what the snow looks like outside in real time. Let me see what Matthew's doing. Let's go upstairs. Matthew's upstairs. Let's see. Where's Leanna? Guys. Matthew! Where's Matthew? Matthew! Leanna! Guys, Leanna's still sleeping. Leanna! 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 It's snowing. You don't want to come outside with us? You don't want to come outside and clean up and vlog? All right, so then get up, get ready, go brush your teeth, go wash your face. Yes, guys. So, Matthew. Why is he in it? Matthew. Look at this kid. Come on, get up. Stop acting like you were sleeping. Come on, let's go outside. We got to clean up. We got to shovel. Bad. It's bad outside. Extremely bad. So yeah, guys, this is the blizzard of 2026, February. Okay? So, we're going to go out and shovel the snow. I'll get back on. Peace. All right, guys, we're still waiting because Leo is over here boiling his tea. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Tea is boiling right now. Okay? So I'm waiting for that to finish so we can go outside and shovel. Girl! Guys, let me show you Leanna. Mind you, she just woke up. Look at her. She has on glasses, skates, and a purse. Like, where did she think she's going? Where is she going?
A business trip.
A what? A business trip? Girl, we're going outside to shovel the snow. You think you could go outside like that? With the skates? Can you skate in the snow? It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard. Anyway, guys, so we're waiting. I'm waiting for Leo's tea to finish so we can go outside and shovel.
Everybody's going.
Everybody's going.
Everybody's going.
Guys, even the window of the basement window is blocked. Look at this, guys. This is a window here. Look at this. Guys, look at that. The window is buried. Look at that. There's a window here, guys. A window. OMG. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. Insane. And then there's another window here, guys. For the boiler room. Look at this. Look at this. Look. 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 There's a window. There's a window. Whoa. Look at that. Hold on, guys. Did I mention 4 weeks ago we had snow? This is a blizzard. Mind you, the grass was visible, the ground was visible not too long ago. And here we are again. Starting all over. Isn't this sweet? But yeah, guys. So we're still out here. Making way. Making a pathway. Shoveling our lives away. Okay? Alright, I'll get back on, guys. Peace. Alright, guys, we are almost done. Let me show you. We made a little pathway turn. Right here, Leo's just throwing salt on the ground now. And this is the pathway we made. Not bad. Decent. So we're about to go make a store run because we need some milk for these kids. And then that's that. This blizzard. Look how high. Look at the lawn. Look at our lawn. Look at the lawn. Look at this. That's the lawn, guys. Alright, guys. We decided to not take the car because the roads are not really plowed. Look at this. We're walking on the street. The roads are not plowed yet, so the car will be driving for days just to get to the supermarket, and the supermarket is like what? Not even 10 minutes, 5 minutes away. So we're just gonna walk on the street until we get there. Just hope that supermarket is open, Leo.
I don't know.
It's not too far of a walk, guys.
It is far.
It's not that far. A few blocks.
2 blocks.
I said a few blocks. Guys, this is insane. This is an actual blizzard, guys. Crazy.
I see you like it.
Like I said, 4 weeks ago, we had snow. A major snowstorm. Now, it's cleared up.
Janelle.
Look at Janelle. Janelle's cleaning up, guys. Look at Janelle over there.
They're making $25 an hour. 25?
$5 an hour.
$5 an hour.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, you guys made a good package.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're going to make it even bigger.
Guys, wait till we get the car.
Yeah, you know where I'm going? I'm going to keep food. Yeah.
Yeah,
but market as well, but I'm not driving.
Yeah,
the car came out though.
Yeah, I took them out.
Yeah, but.
Oh, man.
I went to take a snow blower out yesterday. I told this guy to take the snow blower out. He said no.
You see that? No. They got a big old snow blower.
Yo, look.
Look at all the manual labor he's doing.
Look at this. You see what I'm wearing?
Ay.
I did this so that way.
That's a good. Guys, we just walked this entire way, and the supermarket is closed. Look at this. It's closed. Seafood. It's closed, guys.
And look at them trucks.
They're actually plowing. But guys, yeah, now we gotta walk back home because we walked all the way over here.
I'm about to throw this away.
No, don't throw it.
No, I'm not. I'm not walking with this.
I'm not buying another bag.
We have like.
Get on the sidewalk.
You have like 20 of them.
Get on the sidewalk.
I'm gonna throw this away.
No.
I'm not walking back with it.
Give me, I'll hold it.
Yeah, you hold it. No, I'm not.
Unbelievable.
I'm not.
All right, guys, we are finally home. All that walking. Leanna, can you hold this for me, please, so I can take off my coat and take off my boots, because that was a workout, guys. I got my steps in for sure today. For sure, for sure. Oh, Lord. What a walk. Goodness gracious. Matthew. Remind you, Matthew and Leanna was in here warm. Ay, ay, ay. Leanna. Leo.
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. Guys, so we are finally home. Guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay? And join the Blue and Pink Squad because, guys, we fun over here. Join the squad. Join the squad.
Yeah, I think I walk like 20 blocks.
Well, you got your steps in. Period, Pooh. You got your steps in. Someone that loves to drive everywhere they go, like to drive. I made you walk to the supermarket. Woo! But anyway, guys, join the squad.